Hi everyone, this video has been a long time coming, and funny enough, it was actually supposed to be my first YouTube video. So these are some of my favorite items in my home right now. I use them for storage of all kinds. Right now they're holding a bunch of ring lights and my camera for YouTube videos. But I wanted to bring you this video. It's nice, short, and sweet, and again I am painting them a beautiful green. Alright, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. So I'm using the paint 4-Leaf Clover by Valspar. I have always used Valspar paint and primer in one since I did my first, well really my second project. And I got it in this nice green, which I really loved. I already prepped these pieces, sanded them, struggled to bring them into the creepy basement that was a part of my apartment complex. My cousin actually had to come over with his dolly and help me because they were extremely heavy. And I got these for free from my job at the time. I worked in publishing and they did an office makeover, and wherever there's free furniture, I will find a way to make it mine. So these were completely free, which was awesome. And I only paid for the paint and the legs that I did add on, which you'll see at the end. So just putting on a first coat. Definitely want to do 2 coats with this. Paint primer one has been great. I've had these pieces for going on 2.5 years now, and there are no nicks or dents, and they moved from my apartment to my house. And they're perfectly fine. The only issue I have right now is with one of the legs, one of the back legs, because they were so heavy and the movers were unfortunately ill prepared to carry them. One of the legs in the back is bent. So I'm contemplating whether or not I want to spend money on a set of 4 to replace it, but at this time it's not important to me. I will link the legs down below for you because in this video I'm not showing you how to put them on. You pre-drill the holes and then use the screws that are provided to put them on your piece, and a lot of legs come that way unless you have a piece that already had legs to begin with. These cabinets also had the option to lock, and I did paint over it and then cleaned it off, and then I painted over again, and I can't even tell you if I cleaned it off at this point. But I can always come back with some mineral spirits or turpentine or even just straight up acetone to clean off the paint and show the beautiful brass of the keyhole. So this Minwax is the first time I've used their 1-coat polyurethane. It worked pretty well. As I said in my last video where I painted furniture, I am old school. Usually you do 2 coats of polyurethane to ensure your piece is solid. But as I mentioned, these have held up really well over 2.5 years. There are no nicks or dents, and I use them regularly to hold very heavy items. Since I am a couponer, they used to hold shampoo, body wash, lotion. One of the drawers still holds those items to this day, and now the other drawer holds decor items, accessories, and makeup from various hauls. And then, like I said, the other one holds the lighting, cameras, and a bunch of caulking, now that I'm a homeowner, in its drawers as well. So they go through the ringer and they've held up really well. So I recommend this 1-coat polyurethane. Again, I was timid about it because I am old school and believe in 2 coats, but I did only do 1, and it has worked out really well. And now here are the pieces without their hardware. One did have black hardware, the other had the brass colored hardware, so I'm still actually 2.5 years later determining whether or not I'm going to paint the black hardware. But I probably will eventually, and I'll update you on my Instagram at Fluttering Through on anything I do to update the pieces I'm showing you here. I hope you all enjoyed this quick little video on painting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!